Our last step for our blankets for making our bed is the comforter. And as you can see here, I have my decorative comforter. It has multiple sides. You can change it up depending on how you're feeling for the day. But today we have our floral print. And basically, what I like to do at the end of the night, it's a nice little tip, like if you just want to use your heavy blanket at night, just fold down your comforter to the end of the bed. And then in the morning, it's just easy as just pulling your comforter forward, and you could decorate your comforter or fold your comforter whichever way you'd like. There's actually a couple ways. Some people actually like to just fold it halfway down, and you can have that color. You can pull it up as far as you want and show your other blankets there and just have it just like that. But it's simple as that with your comforter. Just fold it and you have a nice, well-made look to your bed.